Welcome to our YouTube channel OrgaCart. In one of our previous video, we had seen the procedure of making organic compost from kitchen waste. Today we are going to make natural fertilizers using products from day-to-day applications and specially which contains water. To begin with, first is onion extract water. Onion extract has many nutritional ingredients like magnesium, potassium, zinc, phosphorus, manganese, iron, calcium, all of which are extremely useful for the plants. You can use onion peels or onion cuttings or even a onion that is damaged. Make a paste in a mixer or fine chop of these scrapings and put in water that is placed in an airtight container. Keep it for 3 days. This allows the nutrients to be leached out in the water and then just give this water to your plant. Second thing is banana extract water. Banana or banana peels are extremely rich in potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, manganese, iron and zinc. Use 3 to 5 bananas and banana peels. Cut them fine or grind them in a mixer. Then keep this paste in an airtight container for 3 days. After adding water, filter it, dilute by adding 2 liters of water. Use it to water near the roots of the plants. Then third is rice water. While cooking rice, the water used to wash the rice is nutritious in many ways. This can be used immediately to water the plant. Next water is cow dung water. Just mix 1.5 liters of water in cow dung and keep it covered for 3 days. After 3 days, give it to the roots of the plants and it is very useful for the plants. Next water is jaggery water. Take 3 to 5 teaspoons of jaggery and mix it in 1 liter of water. The water can be sprayed on the plant or it can be poured on the roots of the plant. Honey water. The nutrients in honey help the plant to bloom, especially the lemon tree. Mix 3 to 4 teaspoons of honey in 1 liter of water and spray it on the plant after 15 to 20 days of interval. The above proportions are according to the size of the tree. The larger the tree, the higher the ratio will be. Next is buttermilk water. This is old phenomena of buttermilk water. Old leftover buttermilk can also be given to the roots of the plants. Mix as much as water as there is buttermilk and give it to the plant. Next water is turmeric water. Turmeric water protects the plant from pests or small insects. Add 5 to 6 teaspoons of turmeric in 1 liter of water and spray it on the whole plant. Do not throw it on the soil. If there is white powdery mildew on the plant, take 6 teaspoons of detergent powder in 1 liter of water and spray it. This should be done after 4 to 4 days. Onion and banana water are rich in nutrients. These factors contribute to the overall growth of the plant, the flowering of the plant, the emergence of new leaves and the growth of roots. Due to this nutritious water, rose, jasmine, mogra, zui, evergreen flowers as well as lemon, tomato, eggplant, caraway, pomegranate, guava and many other fruit trees come in full bloom and bear abundant fruits. Friends, so let's make our garden more beautiful and healthy with the help of this water therapy. Stay tuned to OrgaCart. We'll meet you in next video with some more insights.